Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you our film setup for when we do bulk filming days. Alright guys, so I'm here in this boardroom right now, and we are going to be doing a bulk filming day. So a bulk filming day means that I'm going to be filming like a bunch of videos. I'm actually going to be filming 7 videos today, and that's my half of the videos, and it's going to cover about 2 weeks of content on our YouTube channel. Now the reason why we do bulk filming days is so that we can produce videos Monday to Thursday and sometimes Saturday. If you do not do bulk filming, it will be a lot harder on yourself to maintain a channel if you upload frequently. You can get away without doing bulk filming if you only do like once a week type videos, but since we upload quite frequently, we need to have these bulk filming days. So I'm going to show you the whole process, how we do things, and in the type of a space that we film in. So today we're in this boardroom here in the office that we work out of. And as you can see, there is an explosion happening. We got laptops everywhere, drinks, garbage stuff, equipment, jackets everywhere. There's literally everything all over the place. And that's okay, because you guys don't see that on the camera. All you need is a small space. You can zoom out here, right? This area right here is not very big. And I'm gonna show you with the full setup that you don't need a huge space to film. So I'm gonna be using this as a background for the other videos, and I'm gonna show you our setup. So this is what we bring when we're filming with the Nikon, which is the DSLR. If I'm doing like videos on my laptop, that's a completely different setup, and I have a video for that. But this is when I'm standing in front of a wall and I usually have like the microphone. It's those type of videos. So first thing we need to do is set up the lights. So we have these umbrella lights. We have 2 sets of umbrella lights. Sorry, 1 set of 2 umbrella lights. Some people have 3. I find that 2 is fine. And I just put them like on either side, like 1 on each side. So we'll have that one there. And these lights aren't very expensive at all. You can get them for like less than $60, and they really help with the lighting. So right now, all we have is the office lighting. So it's like the very fluorescent, harsh lighting. But once we put these lights, it'll look a lot better. So let me just set this up here. Oh, I also have a tutorial on how to set up your umbrella lights, because if you haven't used them before and you get them and you don't know how to set them up, it can be kind of confusing, because you have to like untwist a bunch of screws, put stuff there. It can be a little weird at first. So we have set these up and taken them down like a million times. So we've got it down packed now, but in the beginning, I didn't know what was happening. And the last are the umbrellas. So these umbrellas help like filter the light so it's not too harsh. If you just have this light on you, it's gonna be super bright for your eyes, and you might see it like on your forehead. But so these are like, they soften it so that it's like an even tone on your face. So I'll put these ones in. So as you can see, the setup is like coming along, and we just put it in that bag there that we carry around. So I'll put these on. So after I put this in here, the umbrella lights are set up. Now I'm likely going to angle it so that they're kind of like this, and they kind of focus in on here. And this is like a good height for me. I can make them a bit taller, but it's like good height. You don't want to put them like full height if you're not that tall. Put them to like your height. So I usually put these like to this area of me. Next, need to put the tripod. So we'll grab the tripod here. Now everything that I'm showing you and setting up will be down in the description below. All the products that we use. We get a lot of questions as to what we use. So this is the Neewer tripod. The brand is called Neewer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up right here in the middle between the lights. So put this here. Again, set it to your height. Okay, so put this up here. Actually, we might have to make this a little bit taller because I usually like a lower look when the camera's a little bit higher. So I'll usually put it like a little bit above me and then it like looks down. So spread these prongs out, put this here. Now Arit is holding the camera, so we can't put the camera on here right now because she's holding it. So we'll just put this like that, and this loosens up. Okay, so this is where the camera would go. Yeah, it would be like kind of like that with these lights on. So next is we already have one plugged in, but if you don't, make sure you guys always bring like a power cord or an extension cord so that you can extend, like, because a lot of the times you'll be filming in a room and you might not have access to plugs, so you need to be ready. So as you can see here, I already have one plugged in behind you there, Reed, so that we can plug in the umbrella lights. Now let me just get through here and I'll plug these in so that you guys can see what it looks like, and then you can turn them on. And these lights, whoops, oh, that one almost fell over. So then the tripod's right here. We already have the microphone, the shotgun microphone on top of the camera. Let me just get my cell phone so you guys can see the other view. So you can see. So let me just, I'm gonna do sort of like a split screen recording here. So you guys can see right here, there's a Arit, and you see you have the camera and then the microphone's on top. That's the microphone we're using right now, but we also have other microphones that I'll show you in a second. But basically that's how the setup would be. So you got the tripod right there, the umbrella lights right there. That's what it would look like from my point of view. And that's what it looks like from Arit's point of view looking at me. So I'm gonna stop this, and then I'm gonna show you the other microphone that we have. So you guys know sometimes when I have the actual microphone in my hand, the handheld, that's this one right here. That's the Ceremonic. So basically, for this one, you saw that the shotgun mic was on top right there. This would go on top where the shotgun is so that it will transmit and I can use the handheld if I wanted to. So that is the setup. I just wanted to film that for you guys. I am now going to film like 6 more videos. This was actually one of the videos. So in total I was doing 7, but I just filmed this one right now. So I have 6 more to do. This is literally the setup. This is the background. As you can see, it's not too complicated. You just need umbrella lights, tripod, camera. Like, you don't even have to have a camera like this. You can have like an iPhone if that's all that you had. Just use what you have, use your resources that you have. It doesn't need to be like a full-on high production budget. Alright guys, that is it for this video. That is our film setup that we do with our tutorial videos. Again, if you guys want to check out any of the stuff that I showed you, the umbrella lights, the tripod, the shotgun microphone, our camera, the Saramonic microphone, you guys can head down to the description below. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.